Welcome to this guided meditation for deep, restful sleep. Let's begin by lying down in a comfortable and supported position. This time is just for you, so let go of the day. Calm your mind and allow your body to relax fully. As you listen, know that there is nothing you need to do, nothing to fix, and nowhere to go. Simply follow my voice and let yourself drift into a state of deep sleep. Begin to allow your body to settle into the surface beneath you. Know that you are fully supported right here, right now. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale fully out through your mouth. Now, gently bring your attention to the soles of your feet. Notice the soles of your feet and any sensations there. Imagine a powerful wave of relaxation beginning at your toes. With your next breath in, feel this relaxation slowly spreading towards your ankles, your calves, and your knees. As you breathe out, feel the heaviness in your legs. Relax completely. Breathe in and feel the wave of calmness now moving to your thighs, your hips, and your lower back. Exhale, let your body sink deeper into the surface beneath you. It is time to release any tension you've been holding on to. Now, shift your awareness to your stomach, your chest. With each breath, feel this area of your body softening. As you breathe in, feel a gentle expansion. And as you exhale, completely release. Feel the wave of relaxing energy flow into your shoulders and down your arms. Feel your hands and fingers relax. Finally, feel your neck, your jaw, and face as you completely let go. Feel the muscles in your body melting into softness. Let's take a moment to bring the mind back to the events of the day. From the beginning of the day to this present moment, imagine gathering everything, the conversations and thoughts and emotions, into a small box or a small bag. Visualize yourself gently closing the lid and placing this box on a shelf, knowing you can come back at a later time if needed. Now, imagine a warm, soothing light above you. This light represents peace, calm, relaxation. Feel this light as it slowly flows down over your body. Breathe in as this light washes away any tension, stress, or restlessness. Let this light envelop you in a cocoon of calm, peaceful energy. With your next breath in, notice a feeling of lightness growing in your body, as if the weight of the day is dissolving completely. Breathe out, bringing your awareness to the muscles and the area in your body where the breath moves freely. Notice the natural rhythm of breath, how your body knows exactly what to do. There's no need to control the breath. Just observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest, belly, and ribs. On your next inhale, silently say to yourself, I am calm. And as you exhale, silently say, I am safe. Repeat this to yourself with each breath. Breathe in, I am calm. Breathe out, I am safe. Let these words anchor you in this moment. And if your mind wanders, gently guide it back to this breath and these soothing words. I am calm. I am safe. Now, imagine yourself in a serene place, a place where you feel completely at ease. Perhaps it's a cozy cabin, a quiet beach at sunset, or a soft meadow under a starlit sky. Visualize yourself lying here, feeling safe and cradled by the peaceful energy around you. With each rise and fall of your breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into this place of peace. Feel the air around you, soft and warm. Notice every sound beginning to fade into the distance. There's nothing you need to do now but rest. Now allow yourself to float, as if on a gentle cloud, carried by the rhythm of inhale and exhale. With each passing moment, feel yourself drifting closer to deep sleep. As you continue to relax, know that your body and mind are prepared for restorative sleep. You are safe, you are calm, and you are deeply at peace.